Yo, who put Peso Pluma and Cardi B in a song, my boy? Oh my days, man. You gotta love when Cardi deviates and goes into the Spanish scene, man. It's always awesome. But look, let's check it out, man. Put M in the Fridge is the name of the video. It's from Peso's album. Yeah, it's a lyric video. Let's see what he's talking about. Apologies. My headphones weren't plugged in.
¿Te acuerdas cuando estábamos solos de niños? Que fuimos de barrio pero ahora somos finos. Cuando fumábamos tan blond con el vecino.
Okay, hold up. Nah, I gotta use subtitles. I'm sorry. I apologize, man. He's going too fast.
¿Te acuerdas cuando estábamos solos de niños? Que fuimos de barrio pero ahora somos finos. Cuando fumábamos tan blond con el vecino. ¿Qué es el destino si no hay nada decidido? Sí, no, pregúntale al gobierno cuando vi. No, me vieron vestidito de marí. No, pues a huevo que soy de oro latino. No, viví, no, los ojos rojos siempre fumo pi. No, de este beat soy el puto asesino. Ya saben que estoy loco desde niño. Bélicos somos bélicos, morir.
Burro por la jaula corelío, Aladina por la alfombra walking. Si la lámpara con el cuerno de Gotelo. It's the last time I can hear you talking about me. Peso Pluma con la peso heavy. En Jalisco de mi culo dicen diablo Cardi. Tengo todos los nacos.
Now when Cardi B enters the Spanish mode, you know she's gonna go crazy. Alright, man. Come on. Bro, this is a completely different vibe, bro. From the first Peso Pluma song I listened to. I think it's an album. I don't even know at this point, but I've seen a lot of songs from it. But like, this is a completely different vibe from the one we checked out yesterday, bro. That one was so calm, so Broski was talking about a heartbreaking joint. This one, he's just going crazy. He's just That's tough.
Latino, chino, divino. Los ojos rojos siempre fumo pi. No, de este beat soy el puto asesino. Ya saben que estoy loco desde niño. Bélicos somos bélicos, morir.
Burro por la jaula corelío, Aladina por la alfombra walking. Si la lámpara con el cuerno de Gotelo. It's the last time I can hear you talking about me. Peso Pluma con la peso heavy. En Jalisco de mi culo dicen diablo Cardi. Tengo a todos los nacos con la white. Y a su mami pidiendo que le quema los panties. Ya no estamos broke, estamos shiny, estamos pretty. Right out del aeropuerto cruzando pa' la city. Ya no estamos broke, estamos shiny, estamos pretty. Solo
Wait. What she say?
Con la peso heavy. En Jalisco de mi culo dicen diablo Cardi. Tengo a todos los nacos con la white. Y a su mami pidiendo que le quema los panties. Ya no estamos broke, estamos shiny, estamos pretty. Right out del aeropuerto cruzando pa' la city. Ya no estamos broke, estamos shiny, estamos pretty. Solo me siento en la mesa con los duros, con los mini.
Me preguntan que por qué verga yo soy así. A cómo lloran no se llenan, déjenme dormir. La suela roja como el puto Cristian Louboutin. Hey, peace, millions and they fucking coming in.
Sí, no, encima de los pilos asesinos. No.
You couldn't have chosen anybody better. You could not have chosen a better person to be on this song with you, Peso Pluma. Cardi B just brings nah. She's killing it, man. Peso is out here killing it. Nah, bro. It's a 2-minute song. It feels like it's longer than that, man. That's tough. That is tough. Come on. Yo, man. Peso's currently my best Spanish rapper, man. I'm not even trolling on that one. I'm saying it point blank center.
Del aeropuerto cruzando pa' la city. Ya no estamos broke, estamos shiny, estamos pretty. Solo me siento en la mesa con los duros, con los mini.
Me preguntan que por qué verga yo soy así. A cómo lloran no se llenan, déjenme dormir. La suela roja como el puto Cristian Louboutin. Hey, peace, millions and they fucking coming in.
Sí, no, encima de los pilos asesinos. No, tengo al presidente de vestir. No, el mundo es mío como Apache. No,
sí, no, pregúntale al gobierno cuando vi. No, me vieron vestidito de marí. No, pues a huevo que soy de oro latino. Chino. 40 sugars if I send them, they coming in. 50 kilos if you need them, then they coming in.
What you say?
Vestidito de marí. No, pues a huevo que soy de oro latino. Chino. 40 sugars if I send them, they coming in. 50 kilos if you need them, then they coming in. 100,000 real killers and they Mexicans. I said the word and they put you in the fucking fridge. Me preguntan que por qué verga yo soy así. A cómo
Oh, oh. Okay, now I see where the title's coming from. Okay.
40 sugars if I send them, they coming in. 50 kilos if you need them, then they coming in. 100,000 real killers and they Mexicans. I said the word and they put you in the fucking fridge. Me preguntan que por qué verga yo soy así. A como lloran no se llenan, dejen de dormir. La suela roja como el puto Cristian Louboutin. APs, millions and they fucking coming in. 40 sugars if I send them, they coming in. 50 kilos if you need them, then they coming in. 100,000 real killers and they Mexicans. I said the word and they put you in the fucking fridge.
That's a crazy song, man. It was short though. 2 minutes 34 seconds. That's crazy. Oh my god, that was an experience, man. Oh my god, they turned me up for real. And in Spanish too, it's mad. Oh, they did that in Spanish too. It's mad. A language I cannot speak is crazy. Man, you gotta give props to Cardi, man. I said when Cardi gets in that vibe, when Cardi gets in that zone where she starts spamming Spanish, but when she switches back, bro, she leaves the English and she switches back, you know she's going crazy, bro. You just know she's going crazy. Ay, man. Come on, man. Give Cardi her flowers, man. Give Cardi her flowers. At this point, she deserves it, brother. She deserves it. But look, that's just me, man. Tell me what you thought about the song. Did you like it? Did you not like it, man? I know I didn't catch like a majority of the bars because it's in a different language. I was trying to read it, but at the same time, vibe was too immaculate. I couldn't, read everything. Well, tell me what you thought about it, man. Tell me some of your favorite bars in the songs and what's not. And yeah, without further ado, I gotta let you guys go right now, man. Tell me if you want me to keep going on the Peso Pluma album, and I'm gonna keep checking it out. But for now, I'm gonna sign out. Catch you later. Deuces.